Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Art from Dr. Bodhi's Homeopathic Clinic. You can contact me on doctorarchanabodhi at gmail.com. Today I'm going to tell you about Berger disease, IgA Nephropathy. Dr. Jean Berger and England introduced first time IgA Nephropathy in 1968, and then afterwards the name comes for disease as IgA Berger's disease. IgA nephropathy is a benign type of disease. There is no treatment in allopathy. There are a lot of complications comes like CKD, chronic kidney disorder, or end stage tubular diseases or kidney failure. Sometimes patient is with the diabetic, or as well as patient is with hypertension. In allopathy, we are getting treatment for like immunosuppressant, corticosteroids we are giving, and we are giving ACE inhibitors to control the high BP and to control the uric acid diathesis, giving a lot of medicines for the gout and arthritis as like a painkillers. But there is no such proper treatment for the IgA nephropathy get cured in allopathy. Some professionals says not in homeopathy, not in Ayurveda also, not in allopathy also. But as per my 26 years practice, I have a lot of online patients from the abroad country like US, Australia, UK, Malaysia, and so many. I had a very good response from my patients related to IgA nephropathy, Berger disease. I control them by homeopathy. What is IgA nephropathy? I would like to tell you about that thing first. IgA is antibody which helps our body to create defender. Means it is fighter against the bacteria, virus, parasites, and so on. Means invading organism which attacks on your body. So IgA is antibody. Nephropathy related to kidney disorder, especially nephron. Nephron is the key unit of kidney, which helps for the suppression of waste and good material, filtration, absorption. So many things comes with the nephron, and nephron is the funnel type of part is called as glomerular apparatus. There are two connections. One is filtered and one is a waste pipe. Filtered pipe, and that blood proteins is getting filtered, and waste pipe means that is the urine. This is a long tubular structure, and it's very important for the IgA nephropathy because most of the sodium, potassium, chlorine, magnesium, uric acid, proteins, creatines, albumins, all are has to be absorbed, filtered, and excrete properly. In IgA nephropathy, the filtered filtered part means blood proteins comes in your urine. Sometimes epithelial cells comes in urine. Sometimes pus cells comes in urine. There are so in that, what type of patients get the symptoms? IgA nephropathy symptoms. It's there is no cause. There is no such cause for the developing disease, but some Caucasians, some Asian ethnic group, and this is a male dominant disease. This disease only found in the male more than the other female, more than the female or other. It can start any age, onset of disease any age, especially it's young kids, young adults. So what are the symptoms in the IgA nephropathy and Bergers disease? Patient urine color. When patient is passing urine, the color of urine is tea colored, or you can say Coca-Cola color. Because of there are a lot of blood comes in the urine, so it is called as hematuria. Second one is, if the foam comes from your urine, that is called as proteins are throwing from the urine. So it is called as proteinuria. And third symptoms is very normally comes with the IgA nephropathy. Most of the patients are diabetic or hypertensive. Along with they are having the fatigue, stressed. Sometimes patient just comes with the gout, edematous swelling on the hand and feet. Joints are getting swollen, painful, and they are allergic to a lot of things like steroids, painkillers, cold and flu-like symptoms. So these all are symptoms because of his immune system is weakened, and their IgA nephropathy, and there is no treatment, no such a treatment for a cure. But if you are using allopathy and homeopathy together, definitely IgA nephropathy get cured, controlled. So how? Sometimes we had to use for BP, hypertension, patients use allopathic drug. ACE inhibitor is very important because patients should not go in a severe complications like a heart attack or any other things or kidney failure things. So it's very important. Other things like abdominal flatulency, heaviness, fatigue, stress, cold, sensitivity, hypersensitivity, all things you can manage by the homeopathy. In fact, you can manage arthritis and gout by the homeopathy also. So here in homeopathy, some cases are getting very well managed, some patients are getting controlled, some patients having the cure stage also. It's depend on patient's immune system, how you are activating, what type of medicines you are giving. So I am using in IgA nephropathy most of the times a constitutional remedy. Sometimes I'm using cuprum aceticum, cuprum arsenicum, lycopodium, apis male, terebinthina, colchicum. Sometimes I'm using restox also, arsenic also, and acetic acid. So these all symptoms related, you can choose any medicine and surely your patient will get good result. Understand all the patient's side symptoms, patient's complaints, and you can take a advanced diagnostic way like minerals. You have to every time checks, and then otherwise you have to check GFR rate. Normally GFR rate is below 60. And in young kids we are not giving a lot of importance for the GFR, but yes, we are giving in young kids more than 14 to 18-year-old kids. We are giving importance, and most of the times we are giving after adult GFR. How it works, since it should not be go lower or it should not be more higher also. What is GFR? Glomerular filtration rate. So I hope so. Now you will keep hope for the IgA nephropathy, and there is definitely a treatment in homeopathy and with allopathy medicines. Some of allopathy medicines, and in allopathy medicines they are prescribing most of the times antidepressant tablets. Please don't take that thing. Please stop that thing, and try to maintain your diet with vitamin E, vitamin D, and calcium properly, proteins properly, because you're throwing proteins. Your body need proteins. You have to manage proteins, and as well as you maintain your liquid diet. Plenty drinks of water is very important, and I will tell you control your sugar and restrict completely salt. So it won't give you complications like heart attacks and other things. And the important thing is that if you're a smoker or alcoholic addicted, so please, if you have a diagnosis as an IgA nephropathy, as soon as please withdraw or stop your addiction by keeping your big desire and big willpower through, and get cured by homeopathy. You can contact me on doctorarchanabodhi@gmail.com. Thank you so much.